Good morning, students. So far we have discussed some problems and we completed hand sheet 1, hand sheet 2 and some hand sheets, and today we are going to learn a new concept that is arithmetical and geometric sequence or progression. Arithmetical and geometric. Arithmetic. Geometric progression. Simply it is called AGP. Arithmetic and geometric progressions. If A1, A2, A3 so on in AP and B1, B2, B3 so on in GP, then A1, then the sequence A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3, so on are said to be arithmetic geometric progression. Arithmetic geometric progression, simply called AGP. So here we can see the two types of progressions. One is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. If A1, A2, A3 in AP and B1, B2, B3 are in GB, then the sequence A1, B1, A2, A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3 are said to be arithmetic and geometric progressions. Now, the general form of AGP is A plus D or A plus 2D or square A plus 3D or cube, so on. This is a general form of AGP. A plus D or A plus 2D or square and A plus 3D or cube. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. This is the general form of AGP. Here A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference of the AP. Here R is common ratio. A equal to first term of AP, D equal to common difference, R equal to common difference in first term of AP, common difference in AP, common ratio a comma a plus d r comma a plus 2d r square a plus 3d r cube so on. This is the general form of algebra, arithmetic geometric progression. Here a equal to first term and d equal to common ratio and r equal to, so d equal to common difference and r equal to common ratio. Now once again, arithmetic geometric progression means if a1, a2, a3 so on, b1, b2, b3 so on, and the sequence is a1, b1, comma a2, b2, comma a3, b3 are said to be arithmetic geometric progression. The general form of AGB is equal to a comma a plus d or a plus 2d r square, a plus 3d r cube so on. And the general term of or nth term, the general term or the nth term of a sequence. The nth term or nth term of the sequence, that means AGP, arithmetic geometric progression. You can say that a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, r power n minus 1, r power n minus 1. The general term and the nth term of the sequence equal to a plus n minus 1 into d r power n minus 1. Here, so Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d r power n minus 1. This is the nth term and general term of the AGB. A plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. R power n minus 1. This is the nth term and the general term of the arithmetic geometric progression. Now, so do an example. Example 1. The sequence 1 comma 3x comma 5x square and 7x cube is an arithmetic geometric sequence. Then an or an equal to dash. Here an means nth term or general term of the sequence. Here AGP 1 comma 3x comma 5x square 7x cube so on. And here separate AP and GP. AP equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 so on. 1, 3, 5, 7 so on. GP equal to 1 into 1. You can imagine 1 into 1. 1 comma x comma x square comma x cube, so on. Here A equal to 1. A means first step. D equal to 3 minus 1, that means 2. Here GP, here also A equal to 1. R equal to x by 1, 1, x square by x, 1, x by 1, that means x. So we got A, D, R values. So what we have? An, we have a formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D R power n minus 1. So An equal to A value 1, n minus 1. What is the D value? 2. And what is the R value? X power n minus 1. And simplify. 1 plus 2n minus 2 x power n minus 1. Again simplify. 2n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 2n minus 1 whole power x power n minus 1. So An equal to 2n minus 1 x power n minus 1. This is the nth term of the sequence. This is the nth term of the given sequence. The sequence 1 comma 3x comma 5x square comma 7x cube is the arithmetic geometric sequence and AGP. So we have to separate AB and GP terms and we have to calculate. We have a formula. What is the formula? An equal to A plus n minus D into R power n minus 1. So after substituting A, D, R values, we got An equal to 2n minus 1, R power n minus 1. So this is the way of to calculate An of the AGP values. Now the sum of n terms of the arithmetic geometric progression. The sum of n terms the sum of n terms of arithmetic geometric progression. The sum of n terms of the arithmetic geometric progressions. So we know that the sum of n terms in AP Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In GP the sum of n terms equal to Sn equal to a into r power a into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r, or Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. So we have a formula. Then Sn equal to A by 1 minus R, A by 1 minus R plus dr into 1 minus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r minus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n by 1 minus r if r not equal to 1. So Sn equal to, what is the sum of n terms of AGP equal to, Sn equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r minus a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n by 1 minus r. If r not equal to 1, here r not equal to 1, and another one, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another formula, Sn equal to, both formulas, this is one, this is another formula. N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If r equal to 1, if r equal to 1, so how to get this formula? There are two conditions and we have two formulas. Sn equal to a by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r minus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n by 1 minus r. And another formula, a by n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d if r equal to 1. So we know that the general form a comma, the general form of the AGP, general form of AGP, we know that a comma a plus d or a plus 2d r square a plus 3d r cube, so on. This is the general term of the AGP. So here r equal to 1, if r equal to 1, so in this form we have to substitute r equal to 1. So if r equal to 1, here a plus d into r, that is a plus d into 1, a plus d, this is a plus 2d, that means r square means 1 square, so a plus 3d. So we got the general form of AP. We got general form of AP. So we got, after getting general form of AP, we can take Sn equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. So whenever r equal to 1, the formula changed as n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. So after taking r equal to 1, it forms a arithmetic progression a comma a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So that's why we got this formula. Okay. In handsheet 4, the first sum is find the sum of the infinity series 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x cubed, so on, then mod x less than 1. So what is the sum? Find the sum of the infinity series 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x cubed, so on, then mod x. So we have to calculate S infinity. We have to calculate S infinity. First one, find the sum of the infinite series 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x square, so on, then mod x less than 1. So write S infinity equal to 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus, this is cube, minus 7x cube, so on to infinity, and written as 1 plus 3 into minus of x plus into minus plus 5 into minus x whole square, minus x whole square means x square, and 7 minus 3 whole cube, so on infinity. So minus x whole cube means minus x cube, minus 7x cube. So multiply with minus x on both sides. Multiply on both sides with minus x. Minus x into S infinity equal to minus x into 1 plus, so write the total sequence, plus 5 minus x whole square plus 7 minus x cube, so on infinity. So multiply minus x into 1 minus x plus minus x whole square plus 5 into minus x whole cube plus 7 into minus x whole power 4 to infinity. So minus x into infinity. This is 1. This is 1. After that, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Let's do 1 minus 2. Let's do equation 1 minus 2. Here 1 minus 2, S infinity minus of minus x minus of minus x S infinity. Minus x into S infinity minus x in x infinity. That means 1 minus 3x plus x minus 2x. This is S infinity. This is 1. This is 2. Okay. 1 plus 3 into minus x. Here minus x. Plus minus into minus. 1 plus 3 into minus x. 1 minus let's do 1 minus 2. That means here 1 plus 3 into minus x plus 5 into minus x whole square plus 7 into minus x cube, so on S infinity. So this is 2. So we have to solve 1 and 2 equations like one 3 into minus x minus plus 2 of minus x plus 2 of minus x whole square plus 2 of minus x whole cube, so on. So S infinity equal to 1 plus x and 1 plus 2 come minus x plus minus x whole square minus x whole cube, so on. S infinity, this is 1. So after 1 minus 2 we got S infinity equal to 1 plus x. 1 plus x. This is 1. This is 2. So minus into minus plus. S infinity 1 plus x equal to 1 plus 2 into this is minus x plus minus x whole square plus minus x whole square. It is in geometric progression. Geometric progression. So what is the S infinity in GP? What is the S infinity in GP? A by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Here A value minus x. Here A value minus x. GP in S infinity A by 1 minus r. A means minus x by 1 minus. What is the r value? Minus x whole square of minus x. That means minus x. 1 plus 2 into minus x by 1 plus x. That means 1 plus 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x. By the LCM, 1 plus x minus 2x by 1 plus x. That means 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So S infinity equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. S infinity 1 plus x into 1 plus 2 into 1 minus x by 1 minus of minus x, 1 plus 2 into minus x by 1 plus x, minus into minus plus 1 minus plus into minus minus 2 into x, 2x by 1 plus x, 1 plus x minus 2x, 1 minus x. So we got the final value. S infinity equal to 1 minus 1 plus x whole square. S infinity equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x square. So the find the sum of the infinities of the series 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus 7x cube, then x less than 1, then S infinity 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. S infinity 1 plus x, S infinity 1 plus x, S infinity 1 plus x, and S infinity 1 plus x. So after that S infinity equal to 1 minus x, this 1 plus x by the transposition 1 plus x whole square. This is the problem. So okay students, the next sums followed by tomorrow.